Why are stocks suddenly recovering? Here's the key reason that's driving this rally. Trump has shifted from becoming a very haphazard president to a very predictable president in a very short period of time. Notice that Trump has become a lot more docile and diplomatic when it comes to tariffs after the original fallout that happened after Liberation Day. In fact, Trump's advisors that have influence in the White House are different today than they were a month ago. This suggests that after the fallout in the markets after Liberation Day, Trump seems to have adjusted and shifted when it comes to his advisors and who he listens to. The advisors around him today are more diplomatic and more cordial when approaching the subject of tariffs than the advisors were back in April, when the tone seemed to be more America first and America alone. In fact, when the Treasury Secretary Scott Besant had one of his first meetings to the public after the initial market recovery, he specifically stated that America first does not mean America alone. That line by Besant marked the first and most major shift in tone from the administration with regards to tariffs after the Trump pause was announced on April 9th. With a change in tone from the administration, markets are now expecting more of a pragmatic and practical approach to tariffs, which is why market volatility has declined over 50% in just the span of 3 weeks. What can we take away from this? Well, clearly, if the administration continues on its current path towards tariff diplomacy, we can expect to see markets move higher, volatility to come down, and trade relationships to be restored.